Everything you're about to see was created using 100% free AI tools. No 3D software, no animation background, no technical experience. And yet, the result looks like something that used to take entire studios. But there's one problem that still ruins most AI-generated animations. Not the visuals, not the motion, not even the realism. Character consistency. One scene looks incredible, then suddenly the character changes. Different face, different proportions, different energy, and the illusion is broken. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps your character perfectly consistent from the first frame to the last, using only free tools. No guessing, no fixing mistakes later, no restarting entire scenes. I'll break everything down into 4 clear steps, so even if you've never animated anything in your life, you'll be able to create clean, professional AI cartoon animations that actually feel intentional. This is the exact animation we're building today.
What if we're too late? Hope is louder than fear. Listen. Did you hear that?
Stay close.
I'm scared. Bravery always feels like this. We can't turn back. Then we go forward together. Did you hear that? That was him! We're close.
Every line, every scene, every character, controlled. And so you don't have to guess or improvise. I've shared every single prompt in the pinned comment. You can copy, paste, and follow along step by step as I guide you through the entire workflow from idea to final animation. Let's start. Step 1. Generating the full animation blueprint using ChatGPT. So let's walk through the steps clearly without making the video too long. First, we'll go to this file that I've shared with you in the description below the video. Inside it, you'll find a professional prompt, completely free, containing all the details of the story. The first thing we do is copy this prompt. Then we head over to ChatGPT, just like this, paste the prompt, and press Enter. Now, ChatGPT will generate the entire story for us with full details, including image generation prompts, image to video prompts, full dialogue that will be used in the video, exactly like the animation you saw at the beginning of this video. So make sure you stay until the end because you're about to learn how to create this exact type of 3D animated videos step by step. As you can see, ChatGPT has now given us everything, a complete story divided into 12 scenes, each with its own prompts. Now pay close attention here. ChatGPT also gives us 2 extremely important prompts. These 2 prompts are related to what's called character consistency. We will use these same 2 prompts in every single image prompt to make sure the characters remain consistent throughout the entire video. So first, we copy the first consistency prompt like this. Then we go back to our file and paste it here. Next, we return to ChatGPT and copy the second consistency prompt, because, as I mentioned, we'll need both of them for all upcoming prompts. We paste them right here. Step 2. Image generation phase using Leonardo AI. Now we start generating the images. We go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 1 because, as you can see, ChatGPT gives us a prompt for generating the image and a separate prompt for turning that image into a video. We copy the image prompt only. Then we return to our file and paste it here. Now we copy the entire prompt for the first image. Next, we head to this amazing image generation tool called Leonardo.ai. Here, we select 16 by 9, since this is for long videos. We paste the prompt right here and click Generate. The website will now create our first image. We then return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second image, go back to our file, and simply replace the previous prompt. We copy everything again, go back to the website, and generate the second image. If you don't like the result, no problem at all. Just click Regenerate to get a new version. We repeat the same process. Copy the next prompt, paste it, generate. And step by step, we create all the images for the story. I'll complete generating the remaining images, and then I'll come back to you so we can move on to the next step. Step 3. Image to video conversion using Grok. Now that all the images are ready, we move to the next stage, turning images into videos. For this, we'll use a very well-known and powerful platform called Grok. After logging in using your email, very simple process, we return once again to ChatGPT. As I explained, we now start converting each image into a video. We click Create, upload the first image, and then click Generate. The platform will now create a video directly from the image. This may take a little time, so just wait. As you can see, the video is ready, but there's a small issue. The video was generated without dialogue, and honestly, this is good because now I can show you exactly how to fix it. To fix this, we write this sentence here, then return to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue for that scene, come back to the platform, paste the dialogue in this section. After that, we click Redo. Now the video is regenerated, this time with perfect dialogue, synced beautifully and in very high quality. We repeat the same process for every scene. Upload the image, paste the dialogue, click Generate or Redo, and just like that, we get all our animated scenes ready. I'll now download all the videos and we'll move to the final stage. Final editing, CapCut. Now that all videos are ready, we move to the last step, editing. We open CapCut, click Create Project, and import all the videos we generated. We drag them into the timeline in order, just like this. Next, we add transitions between the clips to make the flow smooth and professional. Once we find a transition that looks good, we click Apply to All. After that, we can add effects. For example, we search for fire because it adds warmth and emotional depth to the video. We reduce the intensity slightly so it stays clean and cinematic. Next, we move to Text, Add Auto Captions. We choose English since the video is in English and click Generate. Then we select a subtitle style that fits the video, choose a clean and professional template, and apply it. Finally, we click Export, choose the resolution, select where to save the video, and that's it. This is the complete workflow. I hope this tutorial helps you create amazing AI-powered 3D animation videos. See you in the next video, and I wish you all the success.